Hey, this is Charles Draven, and today I'll be talking about building a thriving digital product empire. This is where you build your own products, like let's say ebooks, video courses, membership sites, all that can help you make some serious bank online, and that can lead to financial freedom. And this video will reveal a lot of the steps that you can take, especially if you are starting from scratch. And that means absolutely nothing. There's actually a way to build up this type of business, even if you have nothing. Just your computer and your internet connection will do. And if you are into earning passive income online, I will share my special framework. So if you watch until the end, I'll show you how to get access to that. Who am I? My name is Charles Draven from Silicon Valley. I've been building online businesses for over a decade. Why did I get started on all this? Well, I was running a financial business. I was trying to find a way to advertise. I did a lot of direct mail, spent a lot of money doing that. And then I also did a lot of pay-per-click, spent a lot of money doing that. And I realized that after searching for ways to make money online, especially with my traditional business, I ran into a lot of ads, of course, on how to make money online. So I tried a whole bunch of different business models. And then I realized that I just wasn't able to make a lot of money until I found something that worked. And that was a very simple strategy that has been tweaked over time. And that's what I share here at InfoSpike TV. This is my YouTube channel where I help ordinary people make money online using my simple strategies. So here's one thing that is very important. So let's get started into creating your own digital income empire using digital products. So the way you do this, first of all, you have to think about ideas. Think about what are the top niches in the world. For me, it is they are the niches that have been around since people were created, which are people in general want to be able to be wealthy. There's different um, descriptions, interpretations of what wealthy and success means, but what does it mean to you? Also, same thing for health and wellness. And then people want to have better relationships. So that could be whether it's in their marriage, dating, there's a lot of stuff related to that. So those are the three core evergreen ones. There are many others, especially in modern times. Along with wealth comes with luxury, what things want to do, especially if people want to travel around the world. So think about what type of ideas you have. What are connected to any of those? When you think about wealth, like what are the objectives of obtaining wealth, and that can lead to some ideas as well. Some people, it might lead to doing more of what they like doing, like let's say hobbies. It might even lead to, like, let's say, contributing to more people to help. If you want to do something where you are providing money to your church or some other benefit, that is something up to you. And then what we want to do is create high quality digital products that people want. So how do you know what people want? So I'll say, like, with product creation and with idea generation, one of the things that I've been utilizing lately is artificial intelligence. You could go to chatgpt.com and then think about, like, what is your niche? First of all, if you're not sure what your niche is or what you want to focus on, you could simply go to ChatGPT and think about, okay, ChatGPT, I'm interested in this. Provide a list of 10 product ideas that I can create that are in the form of an ebook or in the form of a video course, whatever format you want, and it'll give you some ideas. And then from there, you could decide on what type of products are hot. So this right here, it's just some preliminary research. Another way to gauge the market is to see what other products are out there that are doing very well. You can take part in, like, an affiliate network. The reason why I say that is that even though you are thinking about creating digital products, a lot of vendors will go into these networks to promote their products through their affiliate system. And through there, you can actually look at the metrics. You could actually see what is actually selling well. What are the average sales? What are the typical return rates and things like that? You'll be able to gather data on a wide variety of products that are connected to your audience, that you want to serve. So that would be, to me, like one of the simple strategies to see what is currently out there, what is selling well. And that can actually be something that can save you a bunch of time, because there are people that will teach in courses to do a bunch of product research and to make sure that you do some testing, like let's say whether it's user testing, do some research where you go out into the offline world and talk to a wide variety of people that are interested in these types of products to get a better idea. Yeah, you could do that. But if you are looking at these affiliate networks, they will give you very good ideas. And they might not be extremely unique ideas, but if you are just getting started, it's better to find an idea and then try to find a way to improve upon that, because you'll find a lot of reviews and some negative reviews that will give you insight as to what you should build and how you can improve upon the previous products that were provided. Pricing strategy. Of course, you want to set the right price. Thing is with digital marketing, I believe that there are products that are at the very, very low end of the scale that are like, let's say, $5, even $2. And then there are products that are multiple thousands of dollars. And what I found, depending on the industry, that the similar concept of the product, like the end goal and some of the internal strategies, can be the same. Again, something that is a $2 product and something that is a $1,000 product can be very similar, but the level of depth that a person goes into it and also the level of authority, the credibility that a person has that is providing that content can make a very huge difference in the pricing strategy and also how it's delivered. So I would say that if you are involved in a certain industry, if you want to create a digital product that serves a certain demographic, be part of that group, be part of the customer base. And being a customer will inform you what are the typical prices, especially in digital marketing with digital products. You'll have something called a front end, and you'll be able to see something that might be low cost. And then there's something that is called a back end or an upsell or one-time offer. So once somebody purchases a product, you'll see potentially other products and what they're priced at. And that will give you a very good idea of your pricing strategy. And then marketing your products. This is something that there's a wide variety of ways to promote your products. And one of the things that you can do is figure out what you gravitate towards. And one way to do this is you could easily go to ChatGPT and say that I am selling this type of product. And you could even put in the description of that product if it fits, and then just say list 10 potential ways that I can market this product. And it will give you some strategies. And from there, you can decide what strategy is something that you feel comfortable with, something that you want to do, and then dive deep into that strategy. So, again, there are a wide variety of strategies, and you could utilize whatever you feel comfortable with. Sales platform. So, you have to be very careful with this because I remember back in the day, people would put stuff on a website called Udemy, and they'd put like very high prices, like let's say something that costs over $100. But if you've ever been part of that platform, and it's a very, very easy way to sell products, the thing is that once you start selling products on that, they'll have like these flash sales that happen very often, and then they'll drop down a product price from like let's say three figures down to like let's say close to $10. So if you want to pick a platform that you want to maximize the amount of sales and profits, then you have to pick a platform that doesn't change the price on you when you least expect it. So there are a wide variety of funnels, and the thing is that I realize is that some people will go to very complex funnel builders, but lately I've seen a lot of digital marketers utilize just very simple stores. Like for example, I'll put one in the description below, and it's something that is extremely simple to sell products. And also you have to think about if you want to use affiliate marketing to promote your product. If you don't, the platform that I'm mentioning is great to use it for a lot of the benefits it provides. But then if you want to use affiliate marketing, then you just have to make sure that you set up your page and then that you set up the different connections so it is compatible with your affiliate marketing platform. And then customer service. Excellent customer service, of course, that's something that you need to follow, especially to build trust and loyalty. But how do you want to do that? Do you want to offer an email address? Do you want to provide a contact form? Do you want to use an AI chatbot? Do you want to just have people openly communicate with you through phone or even through video? There's a way to integrate two-way video through website. So it really depends on what you want to do. I'd say very bare minimum, have a contact form, a way to reach out to you. Some carts, they actually require you to use your email address just to be very transparent. So think about how you want to provide customer service, how often you want to provide it. I typically make sure that I reply to people in like 24 to 48 business hours, and think about what you want to use. Scaling your business for long-term growth. So what does that mean? Um, it can mean many things, but I would say that one way that a lot of digital marketers do this is by creating more products that are extremely relevant to what they offer. And that could be both horizontal and vertical. So as I mentioned, there are courses that could be very low cost, and then going down vertically, you could drill down into even more. So a very deeper level of training, even a deeper level of coaching, and provide it in different modalities, different formats. Like let's say you originally started off with an ebook, consider creating a video course, consider creating a membership site, consider creating a coaching program. Just from that, that is just based off of one stack of knowledge, and it's just going into deeper levels of information and coaching. And then again, that's all what I mentioned to you from ebook all the way to coaching. That whole ascension stack is something that just about anyone can do that is developing a single product, and they could just use that single stack with the upsells just for that single stack and make a very good, I'll say, killing from it, just a very good profit from it. And so, again, I think about if you want to go deep into it, a deep dive, or if you want to spread out more horizontal with related offers. So I've talked a lot about how to build up your digital product empire, make some pretty good money. A lot of these strategies could apply very easily. I've seen people that have even sold information, digital products from a Google Doc and sold it through a PayPal button. So it's something that can be done, a very simplistic business model. It might look janky, but at the same time, some people that have earned six, seven figures have done that. So I just want to let you know that it doesn't have to be all jazzed up. So if you are into learning about how to make passive income online, check out the first link in my description. I'll provide you with a way to make passive income using a special framework that I use, my passive income framework. And whether you choose to utilize this process for affiliate marketing or not, the thing is that the training that is provided can be used to promote your digital products online. I'm also going to show you something. I'll provide a link to what I mentioned, the shopping cart, as well as the AI tools that I use. So the AI tool I'm going to send you, provide you in the description is a Freedom AI bot that I created that will kind of give you insights as to what you should do. You can ask it questions and it'll give you responses, and then it'll point you in the path on how to earn passive income online. So that is all for today. I want to thank you for watching. This was all about how to build your thriving digital product empire from scratch.